Hello guy, tell me, do you want to make some money by simply watching videos? Okay, I'm gonna tell you this video is for you guys. In fact, I want to give you a very great review on different way of one on a specific way how you can make money online by simply watching a video. So you don't want to miss this video and stay to the end, because at the end of this video I'm going to give you some pros and cons and also tell what is, according to me, the best way for you to make money online. So yeah, remember, my name is Seal and here you are in Tremendous Generation, a channel where we talk about how to unleash the power within you and how to win the money game. So yeah, as I said in my introduction, so this video is about to tell you how you can make money online by simply watching video. So let's dive into the subject. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen with you and tell you. So let's say you want to make, or can you really make money? Can you really make $30 by while watching video every 10 minutes? Yeah, in fact, in this video I'm going to talk about a very famous website. I don't know if you know that, but the website is called Volcano. This is the website we're going to watch together today. And yeah, so the website today is Volcano. I'm going to give you a review. So for those of you who don't know what the website is, let me show how it looks. Okay, here is the website. The website Volcano, as you can see. So I'm going to explain later what it's all about, but basically the website is just a place where you're going to watch videos, and after that you will get paid for the feedbacks that you will give for each video. So yeah, so in this video you can get started just by subscribing here, and I'm going to explain you in very details what it's all about, what you can and you can't do. So yeah, this is the website. A lot of people are making money with this website. You're going to see how and if it can work for you or if it won't. Yeah, so that's the place. So for each video you're going to watch, you're going to win certain number of points that you will extend. So I won't go into the detail of this website. I want just to show you what is it, how it look like, and if you really want to jump in, you can see it for yourself. So let's back to the subject of our video. Okay, so yeah, let's say, what is Volcano? What Volcano is really about. So as I've just written here, Volcano is a website where people get reward called flows. The reward that people get in this website is called flow. In fact, it's just a number of points that people get for every video they watch and the feedbacks they give, and after that they can redeem those points or flows for Amazon gift card. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know if some of you are already satisfied, but some of you may not be, and we will understand why. So let's move on. Okay, right. My computer is getting some trouble right now. I don't know why. Oh boy. Okay, yeah, so this is where we get. So I was thinking about what Volcano is. Just a website where people come and they watch videos, they give some feedbacks, and after that they get some points, and those points are called flow, and after all those things can redeem the point they get for just Amazon gift cards. So let's go further. How does Volcano works? How does it really works? You can understand what is it. So yeah, the first thing that I really want to say about how this website works is that the first thing you need is just to sign up with your emails. You will need to verify it. They will send you an email, and after that you verify your email, and yeah, it's almost that. And the second thing is that you will be able to just watch some videos. In fact, the videos are about 2 to 4 minutes, and after watching those videos, you're gonna give a feedbacks. In fact, there's some tasks that you will be required to fill. So this website also gives you the ability to fill some surveys which may take you 5 minutes, and for every survey that you will complete, you will be able to get 100 points or also 100 flows. So yeah, this is the website. The other things is to know is how much can you make with this website? Yeah, I think that's a great question. How much can you make? So first of all, I've just given a range of money that you can make. In fact, you can make even more, because I say you go from 0.5 dollars to 100, but you can even make more. But let me explain you how the money process with video works. So you can see here, for each video you're gonna watch, and remember each video is between 2 to 4 minutes. For each video you're gonna watch, you're gonna get 0.5 dollars, and this is equals to 100 points. So that's the way you're gonna make videos. So if you watch, for example, 40 videos, you're gonna get $2, because 40 video will give you 2,000 points, and 2,000 points is equal to $2. So this is the way you can make the math for yourself if you want. So I'm just giving you some example about how does it work. So let's jump to the pros. Yeah. So first of all, this website is great because it's completely free to join. It's simple. There is no difficult stuff to do. It's completely simple. And yeah, you don't even require to have some extra skill in order for you to get into it. So the other pro is that this website is really legitimate. In fact, I mean that if you really done properly everything which is required, you will get paid. So you don't have to worry about if you will want. So yeah, this website is really legitimate. There are real companies behind this website. The other thing is that you can make money by just enjoying, because you will be able to watch a lot of videos that a lot of people didn't watch, because you will be such as someone watch a video just before everybody. So, and also you're gonna see, as I'll show you, the way you're gonna evaluate the website, the videos, is by just showing some smileys. So yes, it's gonna be fun. So the other thing that you can make as more money as much that you want, because the amount of money you will make will really depend on the number of video you're gonna watch. So if you want to watch thousands of video, of course you will make more money. So that's the way of doing it. And one of the way people are doing it is just by having many accounts, and once they have many accounts, they can watch more videos and get more money for different accounts. I don't know if this way may work for you. I check it and tell me. So yeah, so now let's talk about the cons. Yeah, man. Sorry, but everything is not shiny. Everything is not well with this way of making money. That's why I tell you, I'm going to give you a very quick review in order to help you to make the best decision if it's the way you want to make money online. So the first cons with this method is that it's not a passive income. In fact, this way may help you to make some few money, maybe some extra 10, 20, 40, 50, 100 dollars every month, every week. But it's not passive, because everything depends on this website. You cannot automate it. You need to be there in order to make money. So yeah, it's not a passive income stream for you. The other thing is that you spend more money than you earn. So if you make the calculate about the 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 leader schema that I've given you on how it works, you're gonna see the amount of time you're gonna spend. Okay, in fact, you are giving, let's say, 4 minutes for $0.5. I don't know for you if it seems fair or it's a good deal, but for me, I think that you are spending more time that you earn. So yeah, I'm not really buying that, but I don't know if it's okay for you if you have a lot of time, and yeah, you can decide to go into that. The other bad thing about this website and this way of making money is that you cannot withdraw your money on PayPal. They force you to go with Amazon gift card, so it's really bad. You can have your cash. So yeah, that is a big con. So the other thing is that it's not for everybody. If you are not United States, you will not be able to make money with this website. So guys, for those of you who are watching this video for many other places in the world, I'm sorry, but this website may not work for you. So this is the quick review I wanted to share about this way on making money online. So guys, I hope you really enjoy, you learned something new. So what for me the best way to make money online? In fact, I've put a link in the description where I tell you with a business completely done for you. In fact, you don't have to be a giant genius, not a lot of stuff, but with just a few steps and a system completely done for you, you can start to make money online passively with affiliate marketing. So you can check in my description, I have a link there. So please don't forget, before we go, subscribe to my channel. In fact, you're gonna see some videos right here. Don't forget to subscribe, and I say you guys take care and bye bye.